Hello and welcome to Learning is Easy at your library. Mabuhay! In this video, we will talk about reference management tools that can make citation and referencing easy for you. This video is brought to you by the Information Services and Instruction section of the UP Diliman University Library. Reference management tools are used to collect, organize, and format citations of your research. It enables students, faculty, and researchers to cite accurately and efficiently. Please take note that some citation tools have corresponding costs, but the good news is there are also some that you can use for free. Before anything else, please remember that you need to cite when you are paraphrasing, summarizing, or quoting information that is not our own. It is important for everyone to cite materials that they have used for many good reasons. First is to give credit to the person who had the original idea. It is the right thing to do. Not doing so will constitute plagiarism and a violation of copyright law. Next, it shows what you have read and understood from others' thoughts about your topic. And lastly, is for your readers to identify and retrieve the sources that you have used for your own use. There are lots of reference management tools available in the market such as Mendeley, ReadCube Papers, EndNote, EasyBib, Zotero, SciWhale, RefWorks, etc. plus the MS Word built-in citation tool. In this video, we will focus on the most accessible citation tools that you can use for free, namely Mendeley, Zotero, and the MS Word built-in citation tool. What is Mendeley Reference Manager? Mendeley Reference is a free web and desktop academic software which is part of Elsevier. It helps you simplify your reference management workflow so you can focus on achieving your goals. With Mendeley Reference Manager, you can seamlessly insert references and bibliographies into your Microsoft Word documents using Mendeley Cite. Store, organize, and search all your references from just one library. Collaborate with others by sharing references and ideas. It is a cross-platform, which means that you can use Mendeley whether you are using Windows, Mac, Linux, and mobile. You can also use Mendeley in Chrome, Safari, or Microsoft Edge or any other media browsers. The free version of Mendeley comes with 2 GB free storage and over 2,800 citation styles. If you require more storage, you can upgrade to a premium plan. Zotero is a free software that allows you to easily collect, manage, and save bibliographic information from any source. It's very useful when you're doing online databases. It is an application extension that manages online references. An application extension appears as an application in your web browser, which depends on the browser that you are using. Zotero connects with Microsoft Word so you can easily add references to your work and create bibliographies. Zotero is installed with several popular citation styles, but there are an additional 8,100 styles in the Zotero style repository. The free version of Zotero comes with 300 MB free storage. If you require more storage, you may also upgrade. And last but not the least, MS Word built-in citation tool. Did you know that you can easily create the entire bibliography of your research just by using Microsoft Word? Yes. MS Word has a built-in reference function. Here, you can manually enter references that you have used in your paper and generate bibliography in your preferred citation style. Some commonly used styles are APA, Chicago Style, MLA, etc. Do not worry, because we have created a separate video that discusses the step-by-step process of using Mendeley, Zotero, and MS Word built-in citation tools. Now that you have reached the end of the video, please note that all information contained in this presentation is accessible via our homepage, mainlive.upd.edu.ph. For further assistance or additional concerns, you may also send us an email via libraryinfo@updiliman@up.edu.ph. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube via our handle UPD Library. Good luck on your research! Remember, here at the University Library, we are discovering connections, connecting discoveries. Stay safe!